Hi everyone, my name is Dewmi and today I want to show you a project I have been working on, a fully automated voice activated AI receptionist designed specifically for hair and beauty salons. So let's start with the problem. Salons are incredibly fast-paced, hands-on environments. When a stylist or an owner is with a client, they can't just stop cutting hair or mixing color to answer the phone. But in this industry, a missed call is often missed bouquet, which means lost revenue. On the flip side, hiring a dedicated full time receptionist is a massive overhead expense for a small business. I wanted to see if we could bridge the gap using modern AI. So, the solution I built is a local AI voice assistant that acts as a tireless front desk employee. Instead of forcing customers to navigate clunky web forms or wait on hold, they can just simply speak to the AI just like they would talk to a human. The assistant understands natural language, can intelligently check the salon schedule in real time, and instantly book appointments for specific services. To make this feel like a real conversation, I had to stitch together a few different technologies. Here is what happened under the hood. So, the ears or the audio input. Um, I use Python speech recognition library alongside PyAudio. This actively listens to the user's microphone, captures their voice, and transcribe it into text. Next part is the brain or logic and or the AI. The core intelligence is powered by Google Gemini 2.5 Flash model using the Google Gen AI SDK. So I gave Gemini a specific system instruction to act as a friendly, concise salon receptionist. The hands or the tools calling, the tool calling. This is the most crucial part, I would say. I use Gemini function calling capabilities integrated with the Google Calendar API. If a customer asks, are you free today? Gemini triggers a Python function to read the calendar. If they say book me a haircut for 3 p.m., Gemini extracts their name, the service, and the time, converts it to a standard ISO timestamp, and triggers a function to officially book the slot on Google Calendar. The last part is the voice audio output. Um, Once Gemini generates a text response or confirms its booking, I route that text through the macOS native text to speech system to speak back to the user loud. So basically, in practice, the loop looks like this. The customer speaks, the system translates it to text, Gemini analyzes the intent, checks the calendar if needed, and formulates a response and speaks it back. It happens just in seconds. So we'll take a look.
Hello, I'm ready. How can I help you today?
What are the available services you guys have?
We offer haircuts, coloring, and styling.
I would like to make an appointment for a haircut tomorrow.
What time were you thinking of? And what is your name?
Around 2 p.m. tomorrow, and my name is Maria.
You are all set, Maria. Your haircut is booked for tomorrow, March 30th at 2 p.m.
Thank you.
You're welcome. See you then.
So, as you can see, the haircut just booked on my calendar at 2 p.m. So, right now, this system runs locally and relies on the computer's microphone and speakers to interact with the user. While this perfectly proves the concept, the ultimate goal is to make it accessible to anyone with a phone. So, for the next phase of development, I plan to integrate an actual telephony service using a platform like Twilio. Instead of speaking into a computer, a customer will simply dial the salon's regular phone number. The system will answer the call, stream the live audio to the AI via WebSockets, and the AI will speak its responses directly back over the phone line in real time. The upgrade will completely remove the need for any specialized hardware or web interfaces, allowing the AI receptionist to seamlessly drop into a salon's existing workflow. Ultimately, this project demonstrates how we can take state of the art large language models and connect them to real world tools like a calendar and a voice interface. It transforms AI from a simple chatbot into a functional digital employee that can save small businesses time and money. Thank you for your time.